WZRELB 3000 watt pure sine wave power inverter, pros and cons. Pros. Many users confirmed that it consistently delivers 120-volt power. Comes well packaged. No fan noise. Low price. WZRELB is a reliable inverter brand. Cons. It does not have an outside fuse because it is complicated to replace the internal fuses. Many people complained that it failed to deliver the rated output. Customers have complained that the WZRELB inverter did not last for a long time, only for 4 months. The DC voltage does not display correctly. A user complained that the WZRELB power inverter came with broken display. The customer service department is not very quick to respond to the email query. Some of the users say that it is not very reliable. Many say that it is only good for small devices under 150 watt power. According to many users, the surge power does not exist. That's it, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.